గట్టిగా
thermometer. It is a mercury thermometer. Digital thermometer contain reading per meter. Clinical thermometer. The normal clinical thermometer is contain main three parts in the bulb, the scales and the tube. Here the capillary tube stem contain liquid called mercury, which give to a reading introducing by thermometer. There are two types of scale. Mercury and the normal body temperature is Celsius scale is 37 and 98.6 is Fahrenheit scale.
థ్యాంక్ యూ చెప్తావా నువ్వు నేనేమో